Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're actually bringing you natural full face no glam type of look, and for today's video I'm really excited because I'm actually going to be doing a makeup tutorial, or I would say a makeup transformation. Also, if you guys have not yet subscribed, I mean, what are you waiting for? You're already here. So to join the Rainbow Gang, the Rainbow Clan, or the Rainbow Fam darling, go ahead and click that red subscribe button in the bar down below and we'll be happy to have you here. I do want to actually let you guys know that this video today is actually sponsored by Shop Rainbow 876, which if you guys do not know, that is a local brand in Jamaica that actually specializes in makeup or cosmetics and also accessories. They're basically a startup company, and I'm really speaking in third person, but well, I'm the sole owner of this company, and this video is of course going to be sponsored by Shop Rainbow 876 today. So I'm excited to actually show you guys the products that I received, basically got from them, and that I'm going to be using today. So without further ado, let's get into this video, darling, shall we? We're going to be getting started with this makeup tutorial, but I do want to show you the first thing that I'm going to be using today, which is this brush set. Guys, this is a leatherette material, which is really great quality. Not only that, so this actually comes with a total of 16 brushes. The good thing about this is that you actually get every brush you can think of. These brushes are stunning, from the rose gold to the quality of the brushes. They are amazing. Alrighty guys, so first thing that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using this Pritch glue, and this is going to actually sound crazy, but I'm going to be using this on my brow. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going for more of a natural sparse brows today. So to actually go ahead and achieve that look, I'm going to be going ahead to kind of like set my brows in place, but instead of just drawing them on, I'm using glue for this step. I'm going to be using this Philips of Magnesia on my face. Now what this really does is it really acts as a primer. For myself, I sweat a lot, so this will actually help, and I'm going to be using this on my face. So because this is kind of like liquid, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. artist mixing palette that I received from Shop Rainbow 876 as well. Now how this actually works, it comes with a strap underneath it, and then this is like your little palette or your work area that you'd use to like mix or pour stuff like liquids and stuff like that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add that to my face. That's kind of running, or I should say drippy. I'm definitely focusing on the nose area versus like other areas, because my nose area is really what sweats the most for me, so that will actually help to make sure that this comes all together. Now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking this product from Black Opal, which is a brow powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and dip my brush in that. And as I mentioned, you guys, I'm going for more of a natural type of brow. And I'm just going to go ahead and carve the brow kind of where it all along stopped when I did that. So that's what we're going to be doing. Alright, so that's one brow complete. Now we're going to move on to our other brow. Now for a more natural look, what I normally do is just go ahead and use the tip of that brush to just go ahead and feather that out, and it looks pretty natural. And I know I look pretty crazy right now, but what I'm going to be doing, or what I'm going to be doing right now, is I'm going to be actually mixing two different foundations to actually get the shade that I would like to get from this. I'm going to be using my bronze number 6 by Mary Kay, and I'm going to also be using my beige number 5 by Mary Kay as well. As I mentioned, I'm just mixing those two together, and we're just going to go ahead and get that concoction that we're looking for. What I'm going to do, I have my foundation on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. We're just going to go ahead and mix that to get our foundation shade that we're looking for. So now that that's mixed, let's go ahead and add that to our face. Again, I'm using another brush from this set, and we're just gonna add that to our face. So now I'm going to be using a foundation brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and buff that into my skin. I'm doing my whole makeup process a little bit different today. Right now I look like an egg. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be going ahead to just finish off my base and everything. I'm going to be going ahead to just go ahead and set my under eye using this sponge that I received. Now what I love about this sponge is that it isn't just your typical beauty blender. It actually has a slant, or I would say an edge to it. So this is perfect for just going ahead to blending out your foundation, and then this side, which would be the more precise side, is perfect for powder. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm using this kind of precise brush, and I'm going into my Beauty Treats eyeshadow, and I'm using this darker shade. And for my transition shade, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and use this warm, very warm shade, and I'm going to go ahead and pack that in. Now I'm putting that into my crease area very lightly to just go ahead and give it a bit of warmth in that area. So that's what I'm currently doing. Now just to go ahead and give this a little more depth, I'm going to be going ahead with a cranberry, or a darker, I should say, shade, and I'm going to be going in that crease. I'm going to be using this darker black shade as almost as a eyeliner, but instead of an eyeliner, it's actually going to be my normal eye shade. Now I'm just going to use that same dark shade, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lash line. And because I want this look to be as festive as possible, I am going to be using a neon shade in my tear duct. So we're just gonna place that. Now to actually go ahead and finish off this eye look, because this is a simple smoky eye, I'm gonna be using these lashes from Shop Rainbow 876. These are rainbow lashes. Now, I don't know if you guys can actually tell, but these are absolutely gorgeous. Like, this is what they look like, or this is what the packaging look like for the lashes. And these are actually 3D cruelty-free mink lashes, and that's what makes this pretty amazing about these lashes. They're really affordable and the quality that you get is amazing. Not to mention this packaging, like literally the label I should say the name actually reflects colors of the rainbow, so that's pretty amazing. So we're going to be putting on these lashes today. So now that we actually have on our lash, I'm just going to use this powder brush and kind of just fan everything away. So what I'm going to go ahead and do right now, I'm going to be taking my concealer and I'm just going to go ahead and use that to highlight. Now guys, what I'm doing is I'm basically adding that under my eye and I'm using light strokes almost. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and blend that out on my face. So now what I'm doing, I'm basically getting my concealer, which is also available at Shop Rainbow 876, and I'm adding that into the areas that I want to kind of like minimize almost. And I'm also adding that to the bridges of my nose. First thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to be using a angled brush, which is also from the makeup brush set, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend my nose contour. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using my blending brush and I'm going to be blending my contour like so. Now just to blend everything together, I'm going to be using this contour palette, and this palette is actually a powder based product from e.l.f. Cosmetics, which was also sponsored by Shop Rainbow 876. Really affordable, so it's really a great size product. It's really compact as well. So this is what the actual product looks like. It's much darker in person, and this is basically the contour shades and this is the highlight shades. Now you also get a mirror with this, which is pretty amazing. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, which is a pretty good product. I normally use this as well. It's pretty worn out. I wish, like, my biggest thought was initially getting this product, I wish there was a mirror like here. This would be perfect, because sometimes you actually, when you want to touch up your makeup, you don't necessarily want to go in the bathroom, especially for someone like myself. I want to just touch up where I am or probably on the go, so a mirror would just be perfect. This is really just a awesome alternative. Now what I'm going to be using this to do is basically set my face. So I'm using this powder and I'm just going to mix it with some of that as well. I'm gonna go ahead and take that same brush and use it to contour. So guys, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually line my lip with a dark clean color lip liner. I'm also adding lip gloss to the middle of my lips. So now that that's done, I'm going to be taking this really cute brush from the brush set. And I forgot to mention as well, another thing is that these actually have the names of the brushes on there. So it's really good to identify. So I'm going to go ahead and dip this into my highlighter. I'm going to be using this dense flat top looking brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and dip into the highlighter and put it under my brow bone. Hi everyone, so welcome back. This is the finished look. Well, hi everyone, welcome back. So this is the finished look, and this is basically the look I did with the products sponsored by Shop Rainbow A76 today. And basically this is kind of like a more rugged, or I would say emo type of look, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button in the bars down below, and also like this video and comment which or what other makeup tutorial you'd like to see, and I'd be happy to go ahead and do that for you. But thank you guys so much for your support, and yeah, bye guys. So guys, here we have the actual wheel for the giveaway that I posted on my Instagram. Basically, persons commented their favorite color, and finally we get to see who the winner is. Now this is a random picker, and as you guys can see, I entered the names over here. So all of the names for the persons who have entered are actually here. And yeah, if you look, you can see that everyone is there. So we are going to click this to see who is our lucky winner. Okay. Whoa! So that is our lucky winner, you guys. You guys stay tuned. I'll be having more of these fun giveaways. And yeah, congratulations to you, Tara Jolly. I will be DMing you soon, so look out for that. And thank you guys so much for participating as well.